Now, in the last lesson, we looked at how we can use comparators such as greater than or is equal to in order to send a different alert to people who got love scores above 70 and those who got below 70. Now, what if we could fine-tune that even further? What if we could say if somebody got above 30 but below 70, then they should get a different alert from the other scores? Well, to do this, we would have to combine our comparators. And the three basic comparators are two ampersands for and, so whether if condition 1 is true and condition 2 is true. You can check to see if either condition 1 is true or condition 2 is true by using the or combiner. And you can do this using two pipe signs, and that's the straight lines that you see on your keyboard. And finally, as we've seen already, the exclamation mark means not, or the opposite of something. So let's take a look at this in practice. So in between the if and else, let's say we added another if statement, and we said if the love score was greater than 30, so this is condition 1, and we combine it using the and, which are two ampersand symbols on the keyboard. And the second condition is love score is less than or equal to 70. So under this condition, we can give people the alert of their love score. If the love score was greater than 70, we tell them that they love each other like Kanye and Kanye. And if they got a really low score, if love score was less than or equal to 30, then we tell them that your love score is this, and we give them a different message. For example, so now when we run our code, depending on what we got as our random number, then it will execute different parts of our code. So say if we got above 70, then we get the Kanye loves Kanye. If we got between 30 and 70, then we just get the simple love score. And if we get below 30, then we get told that you go together like oil and water. So this is achieved by using a bunch of if statements that check whether if different conditions are true at the time when we run the code. And then we use comparators to compare the value of a particular variable against another variable or another value. And finally, we used combo moves like the and in order to check whether if two different conditions are both true at the time of checking.